Carbon vector technology delivers a dynamic flex pattern by harnessing the unique characteristics of epoxy and the strength of carbon. A high-density EPS core is blown in a high-pressure mould and once machine cut, is individually custom shaped. The lamination process combines biaxial and woven fiberglass and a unique carbon fibre webbing that produces a trampoline-like effect that distributes tension evenly to control the flex, especially in critical situations. The epoxy resin used has been developed with special flex and memory properties that lasts over 5 times longer than polyester resin. It's also very resistant to UV, meaning it stays whiter longer. CV has proven to have superior flex properties over other board technologies by up to 20%. These boards are light, fast, and very lively in all conditions.